Kini-kini darse Meghalaya ni bidang sampai pi baro syakatup kubor mata kejan miet. Sepen pas ki kubor pemia impeachment hikimat pekongsan. Sedang kejingelang baar sengi jongki kinhun menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya seorang. Beriang ke kinhun menteri ia ke CM Assure program ban kentir ya ke yo kahat kinogem. Lipat ba menteri rang ba ukon ke sangmai ke jing rakhe ke jing dak chis pas nem ke snong chut buku. Om don jing temu ban pen kentang ya ke skol Pak Captain Williamson Sangma State University ong menteri dak nak perlu pikir rakam Sangma. But on penlong ke KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council ya ke dorbar ikhtiar Pak Ba Amatan Pulo ke khat pratrik ke lalingkot. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kelas dang ya ke jengelang jongki kinhun menteri ha seorang hne ke sengi ha kabalawan penishim benta da menteri rangba ke jelau konret ke sangma bat ki dkhot ki kinhun menteri lembat ki he Sorkar. Kajing temu jong kini ke program kalong ban ai ya kerensan ki tenat Sorkar bikin la ban pensyai pat ba ki program pat ru ban tirnia lor kumnu ban trelang kenang ban la ban kenjo ke thong bat ki jing temu. Hagasgi ke baar ki dkhot ke kinhun menteri kin selection nong riat but lat kan so ban kendo ki dkhot jong ki self help group.
Number one, the entire issue that is being brought in is completely incorrect. There is no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of IMA trying, that is Invest Meghalaya Agency, trying to bypass any authority, agency or the district councils or anybody or the Rangbashnons. There is no question, as I said, of land being bought directly by the private investors. This is all incorrect and absolutely incorrect information. IMA is a government of Meghalaya's Invest Meghalaya Agency. It is like MTDC, like an MIDC, like MECL. It is another authority of the government of Meghalaya.
Ka kinhun menteri ne kasi kelarai halor ke CM Assure program ke bede ke skim bat gentir ya ke yo ka hat kinong rap ha ke por baki dor ki murjong ki marap margyang ki hyar ha ki yo ki hat. Ke Sorkar kelabu kumba shispa teli ki yo ki hat kanang ban la ban pendunai ki jing jong kinong rap.
The government has decided to keep a corpus of 100 crores to intervene in these situations so that the farmers during this distress are supported and helped. These are being done specifically for non-perishable products and to be very, very more particular, we have seen that the market price for broomsticks and the market price for areca nut has been very unstable in the last few years, and it continues even today. And therefore, we feel a need, a very strong need for intervention from the government side to be there to procure these products and then resell them.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ukondot ke sangmau la pli pat ba ya ke jing rakhe ya ke jubili dap shis pa snem jong ke snong chut waku ne ke sngi. Simbut Menteri Rangba uba sengau balang dhar lembat ki MLA kata uba wailat miki shila but uba lakmen rumbui kilai don rengkat. Haba itu ke jingno sinyang jong kinong senge ke snong chut waku ukondot sangmau la ai ku bleiru ya ke dorbar snong chut waku halor ke jingla jong ka ban kenjo ke shis pa snem. Ulapan pauru ya ke jing kemen jong ui ke jing penlong ke Meghalaya Games hajawai da ke boong bakan long ke ban sak ken mau ha West Giant Hills.
We have always made sure that the games must rotate to different parts of the state and not be confined to one particular location. Because we want infrastructure in sports to develop everywhere. Because we want the youth of those areas and regions to be excited about the games, participate in the games, and maybe win medals also in the games.
Menteri Ketanat Puli Putih ke Jelau rakam sang mahne kasi ulo ong ba don jing thmu ban pen kentang ke school ba Captain Williamson Salmon State University ya ka balabo on pli pat ba ka khat lai terik ukla lingkot ula pen shai ba on pa ne ke jing kerku na baro ki ken hon balang na ka benta ke school ba bat ke jela haba keren skala pathai khubor urakam sang ma ulo ong ba on pa ni ke jing kerku tang na ki ba don benta ba kentu ki nong ya lambalang na ka benta ke school ba ki kena pule bat ke jela ula ong ba kamlong ka babaklaban pa ni ki jing kerku.
On the 10th of January, on Monday, so the BC office, the Vice Chancellor office has decided to have formally launch the state university, which will the presence of Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and some cabinet minister and all and many MLAs and officials, and will be seeing the presence of many academicians and member of state education councils, and will be inviting all the religious leaders including the church leaders, and where we will be seeking the blessing. We will seek a blessing from all the individual, the stakeholder, including the religious leader, to bless our university, which is historic.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya glapen shai ba kan don ka jing penlip lat ya mentah ka jela Henry lakmi lenti ba ka jing penlip lat kala don ki sngi ki por ki ban wan na ka daw jong ka jing pen pha ba jing kentiu ya ki kor ki bor Menteri Ketanat Boarding iti mondel ula ai jeng kren ya kini ka sngi balang jong ka teo dak ba patai ba ka jela kala pentri ki project prepare ba kentup ka jing pen thamai ki substation ban kentiu ki transmission line ban kiliang ya ki ding electric Kesorkar kala let ya keren ru Ketanat Boarding kesorkar pedeng ban petikna ba ke Meghalaya kan yo jeng mentoi na kini ki project.
As of now, the power scenario is in a very good position. We are not planning immediately for load shedding, but as and when situation requires, we will take a call on that. Our intention is to see that the exam season also pass off without any load shedding. But I will request all our esteemed consumers that this is the season where we can take up major repair works also. Because once rainy season will come, it will be difficult to work also.
Ka jing penlong shen ni kelimpo Meghalaya Games ka bala bo man stang ka arpo terik ka lingkot kan sakhi ki jing le kai ki babon jat lat no ka jing kop jingi bat ka golf ka ban long ha West Giant Hills district. Menteri Ketanat di le kai ba Shakler Wadri ula pentikna bala de pen kre ki jakai le kai. On penlong ka jing pli perda ka arpo terik ukla lingkot bat ki babon ki jing le kai on pen ko ni ki jakaba per ha West Giant Hills. Menteri ula ongru boleh kenduk pada Menteri Ketanat ilek kai ke Sarkar pedeng hau niu benai belada ula pha ke jing ai jing mut ban pediang ban penlong ya ke National Games ke ba live kendai haus nem arhajar arpenyo.
Opening ceremony will be on the 20th. As of now, all the preparations are ongoing, and everything is positive. 20th of this month is the opening, and 25th is the closing ceremony.
All the disciplines will be in Jawal.
Yeah, all the disciplines within West Giant Hills. In terms of infrastructure, we are ready to host the national games as well. As you can see, there are so many infrastructures coming up in our state across all districts. So I am positive that if given the chance, we will be able to host the national games.
Kaseng Nong Tulu Area Farmer Association kalah pedang ya ke jing penlong ya ke jing pen iki riti dostur ke bahan riau ke baju penlong malau snem ke ri kunai la tenrai ha ke snong umden Kani kata masa ketemu ban lek kemen bat ban kentiu ye ki jing mlien tenrai ban burom ye ki riti dustur beper bat ban banjur halor ke jing kong san ban penek pensa ki dustur tenrai na kebenta ki longdin manden. Hagani kata masa lawan ban isim benta do ba amiral bonds u MLA jong kanong po constituency balong kum kong san bat kiwe ki kenrem ki lendan. Kani kata masa ka kentup ke jing shat tenrai de ki kena na ki snong ki bamarjan.
Interistom nakaliang jong ke department jong ke handloom bat ke sericulture mentagi tip kung ke textile department ha kaban ai bijingerap ki bapher sya kinong than kidon ki biyo simet ki jingerap kidon ki biyo longba ki society kidon ki biyo longba ki SAG bat komputer ha kabala nangla ban penjanai ya kene kerkom than ya kerkom thir ya kerkom airong tenrai ka natural dying hapo kane gedong beketan
Ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council kan sepenlong ke dorbar ikhtiar patba hamadan puluh ka khat pratrik ku klalingkot ka KHADC ketemu ban ai buram ye ki dorbar snong ki dong ki kur sengken thaila ni ki seng long kemi bat ki seng samla Uba penyat sing siem mula ong baglat mu ban penlong ke dorbar ikhtiar patba hu benai no pra usnem balalen henre ula pentip bala pensa nge swai ke dorbar na kidau ki bemlak kiar Uba penyat ula pentip balala ban rai ban penlong ke dorbar ka khat pratrik ku kelalingkot hadin ke jengelang bagi dukot jong Confederation of KHASI States sinjuk ki rang ba kur sinjuk ki rang ba dorbar kur limpung ki seng long kemela ni seng kentai sinjuk seng samlashnong bat kiwe
Kajing temu jong kani kajing penlong ya kani ka dorbar ba lani ka dorbar ikhtiar pai ba kalong ban pentip pai ba bat kumjuru kajing itu lani ka recognition bat kajing penkub bor ya ki dorbar snong ki dorbar dong nang ta ki seng samla snong ki seng kentai lani ki seng long keme ha ki snong bat ru kumju ya ki seng kur hakabri neutral.
Kat banang jan ke election ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council lai ibi ki seng sam perthe bi no ilam ki bersang ban yo ya kunik election kalaya jakmat ban penpau ke jing temu ke jungki. Uba Esron Marwen ula penpau ya karai jong uban ya kunik MDC election in North My constituency kum kertong shimet. Haba ai jing kren skela patai kubor uba Marwen ula banjur ba ke district council ke dikamat baju keren ba ki brio. Ula batai bakat kum ke riti sensyari ke district council ke bat ya ke bor halor ke kendau ke siap bat ke don ke bor bantau yiki an banyada shu uba marwan ula ong ba ke district council ke yo ke bha ya rap pisan ke sarkar jila bentup ke jingesam ya ke khajna
te ke jingni jonga sakami ke election kalong halor ka nongrem ke ba ngalai i bat ngala perkhat sani bah ha ka ba ngapet ya kami jinglong jingman jung district council jungi ha ka ba kat nang mi ko ke singi kanang herdor ka bor jung ka kanang tolot bat bun ru ki lami ki kenten ki ba ong mobilem pendu no district council
ki nong snong jong kapar ken nong halib ki snong ba marjan ke lum lang ban khangla de ki bor sarkar ban pelong ke jing ngopat ba hanong hali ha ka bay de ke jing te ke waste management plan nado dang sedang ki pat ba ki lakhang ke surok ke balam shaka jaka ba pelong ke jing ngopat ba hanong hali pat ki pat ba ki lara ki jing tho ban penpau ke jing persha jong ki ya kene ke project kila ong ba ke jing te ke ni kan sakta jur ya ke mariang bat ya ka kwat ke kya jong ki snong ba marjan Kinong yelek persya kim shimla sya kinong tray ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ki magister bat ki pulit ban rung sepo snong. Unong yalam ka MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ne kasgi ula ong ba ka seng kasngos kem ba kan la ban le ba ka ni election ha KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council but ha Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council. Ha ba krench kala patai kubor uba pala ula ong ba ka seng kasngos kem ha gi kertong ka ba kila dep ban penbena na du menta. Kat kum ka jing sngo jung u ka seng kala treshi tom ban wan ra e ka jing job ha ba ai ticket ya ki kertong.
So that I'll go to Giant Hills. On 14th, I'll meet all the selected candidates from Giant Hills and we'll work out a system where we can do. I am very confident that this time we'll do well in KHASI Hills and we should also do well in Giant Hills.
Ka jing rakhi ke Jubilee siar jong ka ICAR Research Complex sa Umyam kelas dang hne ke sngi da ka jing play ka Farmers Expo 8,000 ka kinhun jong ka Didi Meghalaya klayok bani krem kat tu kan ngut kinong rep bat kinong isu mentah ka ni ke sngi tu gini ngap halor ka ni ke khubor ini bila
ngidon kumba arajar mud ki perman ada berregister tinggal sedang ya kami ke FPO jungia usnyam arajar katnyo but ingla dia berregister arajar arho
na kaliang jongahi kunong yalam kinong rep long kajing yo long sibon kinong kinong rep de khamtam lele ka ICR ka ai ki training ro kumno ban di blok mo ya ka snong jongi ndai tang na ka snong jonga ana baro kan ni gari boy
Ngalang ni ka wain ngalan tempat bubun kilat silen sil but ngamla but sim bar akli but sing but wain hoy ka wain bikin ka diga put sing hi
mentang ni pe ke jong long jeng man ka sin beneng shatura ka jeng kriat ka long khatway degree Celsius ka jeng shit ka long 8 degree Celsius ka jeng ngem ka hau ka long nyo pusau na ka shispa haba pai pat shan hadong ba shalong ka jeng kriat ka long san point sau degree Celsius ka jeng shit pat ka long khat nyo point lai degree Celsius ka jeng ngem ka hau ka long san punyo na ka shispa haba pai pat shajawai ka jeng kriat ka long rio degree Celsius ba ka jeng shit pat ka long khat khandai degree Celsius ka jeng ngem ka hau ka long rio pusan na ka shispa bat ka sun beneng hatura shalong ba jawai kan rang haki babun ki jaka Shwaban poy buku jang thup kubori pe piang sesi ne kimat bekongsan. Sedang kejelang ba arsngi joki kenhun Menteri Kesorkar Meghalaya Hasora. Pediang ke kenhun Menteri ke CM Assure program ban kentiu ke yau ke hat kinong rem. Li pai ba Menteri Rangba ukon ke sangma ke jeng rakhi ke jeng dap shi spa snem ke shnong chet buku. Omdan jitmu ban penkentan ke skul ba Captain Williamson Sangma State University ong Menteri ke tengah peliputi rakam sangma. But on pelong ke KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council ke dorbar ikhtiar pat ba amadan pulo ke khatra terik kula lingkot. Te perlok ketung lapoi sek pekut jang tup ke bor jeng mata ke jan miet. Haduk mini syam yang bat pila syak kesengi kublai pi barok.